So what exactly are you going to learn in this accelerated learning masterclass? Now, in the beginning of this course, we first of all are going to focus on the brain's anatomy. So when you look at the brain, what part does what for our memory? Which part of the brain helps us learn more quickly? How is the brain shaped and why is it shaped that way? Then afterwards, what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the memory. So for instance, which kind of memories are there? Also, how is a memory shaped and how can we learn information so that we can remember them in the long term? Also, we're going to cover the question, how can we improve our memory in the short, middle and long term? Then afterwards, we're going to talk about learning types. For instance, are you a visual learner? Are you an auditory learner? Are you a reading/writing learner? Or are you, for instance, a kinesthetic learner? And then we're going to do a self-test. So you're going to take a test and you're going to be able to tell afterwards whether you are an auditory learner, whether you are, for instance, a visual learner, kinesthetic, or reading/writing learner. Then in the fourth part of this course, we're going to talk about the 8 different types of intelligence, because probably the one type of intelligence that you know is the normal kind of intelligence, the IQ, the intelligence quotient, and we measure it by putting together a couple of factors. And I truly believe, and many other scientists believe, that there's multiple parts or multiple kinds of intelligence, because I think we all know people that are extremely creative. We know people who are very smart at mathematics. We know people who are amazing speakers, and we should realize that, of course, intelligence is not one-dimensional. There are many dimensions to an intelligence, and that's why there are actually 8 different kinds of intelligence that we can differentiate. So then afterwards, we're going to talk about brain boosting. Now, what exactly is brain boosting? Now, brain boosting is all about speed and about memory. So we want our brain to first of all store, but also to retrieve information much more quickly. And what I'm going to do with you here in this course is I'm going to show you how to retrieve information more quickly and how to build an amazing memory. Then in the end, we're going to focus on connections. So connections between both halves of our brain, connections between multiple parts of our brain. And then the last topic of this course is going to be learning cycles. So how we can learn, keep up the motivation, and also have great reflection cycles that help us to understand what we did right and what we did wrong. So right, that was it now here for this video. That is what we're going to cover in this course. If you have any questions, you can of course message me at any given time. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.